He created the periodic table, predicted new elements, and revolutionized chemistry. Thomas Alva Edison, February 11, 1847, October 18, 1931, was an American inventor and businessman. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. Marie Curie. She discovered radioactivity, won 2 Nobel Prizes, and changed medicine forever. Electricity in our homes exists thanks to him. Tesla introduced alternating current and dreamed of wireless energy transmission. The apple is just a legend. Newton explained motion, discovered gravity, and built the foundation of physics.